How to make your own nutritious smoothie bowls. Smoothie bowls have become a popular trend for those seeking a delicious, nutritious, and visually appealing way to boost their daily fruit and vegetable intake. But you don't need to head to your local cafe to enjoy this trendy dish. We'll walk you through the steps and components necessary to create your very own smoothie bowl masterpiece. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for future interesting videos. Understanding the components of a nutritious smoothie bowl. A key factor in crafting a superb smoothie bowl lies in the blend of components that cater to both taste and nutritional needs. Essential elements include a variety of fruits and vegetables, which provide a rich source of vitamins and fiber. Healthy fats play a significant role as well, offering long-lasting energy and aiding in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. Choosing your base and fruits wisely. Selecting the right base and fruits for your smoothie bowl is crucial for both taste and texture. A thick, creamy base is often achieved using bananas, which add a natural sweetness and smooth texture. However, for variety and to meet different dietary preferences, you might opt for alternatives like mango, berries for a tart kick, or avocado for creaminess with added healthy fats. Cooked sweet potato can also provide a unique flavor and extra fiber. To incorporate greens without compromising taste, spinach and kale are excellent choices, blending seamlessly into the background. The choice of liquid is important too. Almond milk, coconut water, and Greek yogurt are all great options that contribute to the desired consistency of your smoothie bowl while boosting its nutritional profile. Incorporating protein and healthy fats. For a nutritious smoothie bowl that satisfies, adding protein and healthy fats is essential. Blend protein sources like plant-based powders, creamy Greek yogurt, or soft silken tofu directly into your base for a substantial boost. Integrate avocado for its creamy texture and heart-healthy fats, or swirl in some nut butter for richness and depth. Seeds like chia and flax not only contribute healthy omega-3 fatty acids, but also help thicken your bowl. Supercharging your bowl with superfoods. Elevating your smoothie bowl with superfoods can significantly boost its nutritional value. Incorporating spirulina or chlorella adds a powerful green kick, rich in vitamins and minerals. Antioxidant-packed additions like goji berries, cacao nibs, and acai powder not only enrich the flavor profile, but also amplify the health quotient of your creation. Don't overlook the benefits of hemp seeds for a plant-based protein source, bee pollen for its nutrient density, and matcha powder for a unique taste plus a dose of antioxidants. These superfoods can be sprinkled on top or blended into your smoothie bowl for a nutrient-dense meal that fuels your body and delights your taste buds. The art of assembling your smoothie bowl. Pour your thick, creamy base into a bowl as the canvas for your culinary creation. This stage is where your smoothie bowl takes on its visual appeal. Strategically place vibrant slices of fruit like strawberries, banana, or dragon fruit atop for a burst of natural sweetness and a pop of color. Introduce texture with a sprinkle of crunchy elements such as nuts, granola, or seeds, adding both taste and satisfying crunch. For a final flourish, consider embellishing with a drizzle of nut butter or a scattering of edible flowers for an aesthetically pleasing and flavor-enhancing touch. Tips for a perfect smoothie bowl every time. To craft the ultimate smoothie bowl, keep these essential pointers in mind. Utilize frozen fruit to achieve that coveted thick consistency reminiscent of soft serve. When adding your liquid, be it almond milk, coconut water, or another favorite, begin with a conservative amount. This prevents the mixture from becoming too thin, allowing you to gradually reach the perfect texture. Adjusting for taste is crucial. Incorporate a dash of honey or maple syrup for added sweetness, or a squeeze of lemon for a touch of acidity, ensuring the flavor profile is exactly to your liking. If you enjoyed from this video, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for future interesting videos. Thanks for watching.